last time, this valve cover gasket right here is changed, as well as these little spark plug gaskets. So I went ahead and went to the local auto store and got this Velcro kit. This is the valve cover gasket right here, and these are all the little seals. So we're gonna go ahead and replace all of those. Look at that shine. Look at that. That looks great. You forgot what it looked like before? This is the other headlight. This is the one we've yet to do. Pretty foggy, pretty gross. Nonsense. Look at that. That's so clear. This is why I love this stuff, because it makes really good results. Alright, clean up and go to the next headlight. Driving back home again. We're pretty much coming to the end now of the Civic series. There's not really anything else left to do with the Civic besides sell it. So I'm gonna vacuum it out and clean it up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna list it. So I'm not gonna record any of that just for, you know, buyer's privacy. But yeah, really there's just paperwork and getting it sold that's left. So thank you guys for watching. It's been really fun. I'm in the process of looking for my next flip. Once I get it sold, there'll probably be one more video. Once I get it sold, I will make a price breakdown video for you guys, just to show you all the costs and parts and getting the car, how much you paid for it, how much you sold it for. So, but yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it with the Civic. This is what I'm going to be doing with these fix and flip series. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed them, enjoyed the footage and the fun that we had. So if you do like the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I know I gotta say that. This is fun for me, and if you guys really do honestly enjoy the videos, go ahead and subscribe, because there's going to be a lot more, a lot of fun videos, a lot of car builds. I have an entire list in my head and actually in my phone of different car builds that I want to do. Car builds, truck builds, off-road, old school, you know. I'm a big old car nerd, so I'm constantly thinking of different things to do. But yeah, go ahead and like the video, dislike it if you didn't like it, and if you do, let me know in the comments what you didn't like and what you would like me to change. Other than that, I really appreciate all your guys' support. You know, get out and have some fun. Life's too short to, you know, sit around all day. Do what you like to do. Go out and have fun with yourself. Go out and have fun. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.